Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to reset home screen on iPhone. So if your home screen layout is scattered just like mine, and now you want to reset the home screen layout back to default, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. The essence of this is to fill up the home screen page automatically, and of course, remove empty spaces on each of the application page, and then set the home screen alphabetically. So to do this, all you're just going to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Once you open the settings app, just scroll down and select general. Now, once you selected general, scroll down the general page, keep scrolling to the bottom until you get to transfer or reset iPhone and click on that. Now, once you click on transfer or reset iPhone, locate reset and tap it. Then you have access to various options. You can reset here. Now you want to locate reset home screen layout and click on that. Once you click on home screen layout, you'll see your home screen will be reset to the default iPhone layout. Downloaded apps will appear alphabetically after the first home screen page, and app folders will be removed. Hidden apps will remain hidden. If you have any hidden application on your iPhone, then go ahead and tap reset home screen. Once you click on reset home screen, you can just go back to your iPhone home screen, and then you can see that the iPhone home screen has been reset. Aside the first page, all other pages will be reset alphabetically. You see that? So that is basically how to reset home screen on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.